Hey and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you something about negative painting. And because it is almost Valentine's Day, I thought it would be nice to make a Valentine card. So you can surprise your loved ones with a very special card this year. So I start with the materials and then we will walk through a bit of theory about color use and then we can paint, the fun part. So let's start. For materials you will need watercolor paper 300 grams, paint, choose the warm colors, water, 2 jars and a spray bottle, brushes, I recommend to choose a pointy tip, tissues or a towel, tape, a pencil and an eraser, and additional a white charcoal pencil. Choose the colors. I recommend to use analogous colors. Those are on the same side of the color wheel and are next to each other. So you can pick 3 or 4 colors. Or choose warm or cold. If you are familiar with color mixing, it can be nice to experiment. For example, use complementary colors or monochromatic. Tape the paper on a surface or on the table. You can also use your sketchbook. Then you tape the edges for a nice and crisp line. Draw the lines on the paper. Prepare the paint and use a light mixture for the first layers. Now paint over the whole surface. You don't have to be too precise on this stage of the painting. Let it air dry or use a hair dryer or heat tool. Now paint with the same color or prepare another color and paint around the pencil lines and let this layer dry completely. Mix another color and draw a new layer with the subjects. It is nice to draw them in a different position. Let it overlap with the previous layer and draw different sizes of the heart. Paint around the subjects from layer 1 and the new lines. I recommend to paint section by section so you can create an even wash. Again, let this layer dry completely. Now repeat the second layer as long as you want. At the end you can paint a dark layer to let the subjects stand out more. Remove the tape. This is almost the best part of the painting. I like to draw a line around the subjects with an acrylic pen or a gel pen. So now we are at the end of the video. I hope you liked it and give it a thumbs up if you do. And if you have any questions, please write them down in the comment section. And I hope to see you next time, so don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice week and happy Valentine's Day!